Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Rain Access Solutions, we have a Mintt POS machine that has an issue with its touch screen. According to the cashier on duty, all the buttons showing on the display are non-responsive. The Mintt POS machine has two built-in LCDs. You can configure both of these LCDs to be touch responsive. And you can also set one to be touch responsive while the other is disabled. But as you can see from here, the front LCD is non-responsive. None of the buttons are working. Since I don't have a physical mouse and keyboard connected to this POS machine, I am using a software called Real VNC to connect to the POS machine. Now I am controlling the screen via the Real VNC. So what I did is I closed the application for the POS machine, and I'm gonna open the control panel by clicking on the start and typing in the word control panel to show its application shortcut. And there you go. Once this is open, you can click on the tablet PC settings there. Here is where we are going to configure the touch response setting. Click on setup button, and as you can see from the screen, it's asking me to tap on the screen to identify it as the touchscreen LCD. So I'm gonna tap it gently, and there you go. This LCD in front is now touch responsive, in which earlier it was not. So that's how easy it is. Alright guys, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, click that like button, and leave your comments behind at the comment section below. And yes, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.